Everyone has their fears. For example, imagine that the floor is lava. Isn't that absurd? Try stepping on it. Buying a new phone is a big event. Woohoo! You can't get enough of it. It's so beautiful and smooth. In a word, a treasure. Stop admiring it. You must start using it. It's its first day, and there are so many dangers on the road. These storm drains. It seems that when you will be passing them, you will definitely drop your phone. And that's it. Catastrophe! Where do these drains end? It doesn't matter. For your new gadget, you could even go down in a manhole. I found it! I found it! It was worth it! Yay! You were excited early, Annie. Say goodbye to the phone. The street thief never sleeps. Hey! Oh no! I'm not letting you out of my hands now! Yeah, with such an imagination, it's better not to leave the house at all. The party's in full swing. Everybody is having fun. Thomas wants to send a message to the girl he loves. So you try to do it discreetly. But it seems like everyone is about to see. And they'll laugh at you. Hearts? What, are you having an attack of cuteness? But Thomas is probably being paranoid. In fact, no one cares about the secret of his correspondence. Stop blushing, boy. Let's have some fun. Can there be fears at a hair salon too? Oh yes, there are some. Here's Annie coming for her haircut. And she's afraid it's going to go wrong. She doesn't trust the hairstylist at all. She thinks she got into the hands of an evil sorceress. She's about to make a couple of scissor strokes. And that's it! Goodbye, hair! Actually, it's not a big deal. But Annie doesn't think so. Better run away before it's too late. The choice of a hairstylist needs to be taken more seriously. What do we have in this box? Woohoo! Oh, yeah! White sneakers! It's a dream! You should try them right away. They look great! Woohoo! But there's one downside. Going out in white sneakers is a risk. What if there's a storm? Oh, right. Look at those clouds. Annie's even scared to step out on the ground with these cleanest soles. It seems like dirty puddles are literally waiting in the way. Poor sneakers. And if somebody steps on your foot, well, of course that's what happened. Oh no! These sneakers are too clean for this town. However, if you want to wear them so badly, you could wear shoe covers on top. Of course, it's not very fashionable or aesthetic, but the white sneakers will remain white. Hey! Using a taxi is a common thing. That's right, but there are some fears here too. Looks like there's a maniac behind the wheel waiting for you. He can bring you into the woods. Oh, it's better not to imagine what would happen next. Ah! A horror movie! It's interesting. When does a taxi driver earn money? If he deals with every client like that. First, drive to the woods, then have a run. That's a lot of trouble. But if that's not a convincing argument either, then it's better to walk. The kitchen has its own scary stories. Nuggets? Oh, I love them! But there is one significant drawback to their cooking. The hot oil drops splashing in your face. Oh, that's how you get a burn! Ah! Stop, Annie! Come back to reality! But just in case, it's better to keep a respectful distance from the frying pan. Well, not that respectful. Although, it's definitely safe. Enjoy your meal, Annie. When you invite a girl you love to a date at a cafe, this is so exciting. What if something goes wrong? Oh, there she is! Finally! Okay, without further ado, I'm going to just take the bull by the horns. This is for you, my love. Will you marry me? Such an exciting moment. Thomas thinks the girl will just laugh at him. And we'll turn this important event into a comedy. Or she'll even start making fun of it. Anyway, you expect to be the object of mockery and humiliation. I'm already so sorry for myself. Things can actually be very different. You can't set yourself up for bad stuff in advance. What if the girl says yes? Yeah, then what? What if there is poverty waiting for us? What if I can't make a living? I won't be able to feed the children. It's terrible! No, you'd better take the ring and not offer anything. Oh, those fears! This is it! The dream dress! Where's the dressing room in this store? And that's where the fun begins! This curtain in the dressing room doesn't close completely. There are gaps here and there, and you can see everything through them. You just start taking off your clothes as everyone starts peeking. Hello, paranoia! You know, some people like stupid jokes. Boo! There you go, like this one. Thomas, get out of the way! I'm reading! Anyway, I'd better get out of here. Oh, who's crawling all over me? A spider? Oh, it's just flowers. Well, okay, but it looks like the process is running. Now there'll be spiders everywhere. There you go, there you go. A giant spider is coming from behind the couch. Ah! Annie, are you all right? What's going on? There are spiders everywhere! Oh my gosh! You are so sensible! Here, take the phone. Take a distraction. By the way, what are you reading? Ouch! I cut my finger! Oh, it's just a little wound, but not for Annie. Do you think it's nothing? You are bleeding all over! That's terrible! You have to go to the hospital! It's urgent! Get your bloody hand off me! Oh, Annie, calm your imagination. Wanting to use the toilet is probably the most overwhelming thing in the world. Hey, is there nobody here? Are you sure? All right, let's lock the door. What if someone comes in? No, you should check the door again. And so no one peeks into the keyhole. It's very hard to relax. Betty thinks there's a crowd at the door, and they can break into the bathroom at any time. Does that feel familiar? That's right. Did you like our scary sketches? Which one of these situations would you feel uncomfortable in too? Write us a comment about it. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell so you don't miss new videos about fears on Troom Select.